I'm Neeraj Pandey, father of Prerna Pandey from class 8 and Amrita Pandey from class 6. Two of my daughters are studying in Mount Litera J School, Motihari, and very recently, the school has organized a webinar on child safety. When I heard the entire concept from my daughters, it really made me feel proud that they, at this stage, they are understanding the entire concept. So I must thank the entire team of Mount Litera J School who worked day and night to make this program successful. This type of programs, the topic of child safety, this type of program may not be very important from the career point of view or from examination point of view. But no doubt that these are the most important things which need to be covered in the recent time as per the situations. You can see the situation, what type of situations are there. So I, from the deep of my heart, I am thanking the entire team of the school who worked on this topic. I must thank the management, the principal and the entire team who were either behind the screen or on the screen to conduct and organize this webinar on child safety. I am sending this message from the extreme border of the country and I am posted here, my children are there. So this type of program will not only develop a sense of security among the children, but at the same time, it will also help them to grow in a better and safer society. Thank you teachers for organizing this entire program. Once again, I am very much thankful to the management, the principal sir and all the teachers for this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Himani Pandey and I am mother of Anaira Pandey and she study in class 2A in Mount Litera Z School. First of all, I would like to thank Mount Litera School for organizing this brilliant concept of My Body, teaching everything about my body to kids, and especially Shafa Hayat ma'am for taking an initiative of organizing this concept. Nowadays, the teaching kids about my body is very important as we hear news about child abuse every day in India. So I think it's really a great concept of teaching each and every kid about my body. So as a parent, I always try to explain my daughter about these things, and I'm very fortunate that Mount Litera team has also organized the same concept. So thanks once again everyone, all the team members, Shafa Hayat ma'am, for having this My Body Week, and thank you. Bye bye.
Myself is Praja from class 3rd C, and today my all family member will give their views on child safety. So let us start with my grandparents.
Care safety
English.
Taught by MLS family to my ward is very nice. She has understood all the immediate necessary safety for her. So I am happy.
बच्चे के सेफ्टी के लिए जो आप लोग इस बीच में पढ़ाई हैं, समझाई हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। बच्चे लोग इस पर अमल करेंगे और हम उम्मीद करते हैं इसी तरह बच्चे के सबको आप आगे भी अपना गाइडेंस देते रहिएगा और बच्चों को समझाते रहिएगा। हम उसकी ग्रैंड मदर ये सब बहुत देख करके खुश हैं। आप लोग इतने अच्छे से बच्चे को समझाती हैं, बुझाती हैं। हम लोग का बहुत आप लोग के स्कूल पर आशीर्वाद है, आप लोग का बहुत आशीर्वाद है। बहुत हम लोग आभारी हैं आपके स्कूल के, ये सब बच्चे को समझा।
I am father of Shipra Jha, class 3rd C, and I am Anand. Hello to everyone. First of all, I am very thankful to Mount Litera J School for making child aware about good touch, bad touch, and making this week as a child safety week. I think that when we were in our earlier days, we were not getting this type of education, and a lot of incident happened to the child because of awareness. And so Chipra came to know about this thing at an early age, and she even discussed with me all these things. And very thankful to Andy madam to making this concept to the to the children in a nice way, in a presentable way, and
Hello everyone, I am Shivangi Srivastav, mother of Kushagar Srivastav. First of all, I would like to thank Mount Literacy School for taking this initiative of discussing this global issue of child abuse with our little kids. We all need to work together so that we can prevent these tragedies from happening, because these tragedies not only affect the physical health of our children but also have severe mental consequences too, like brain damage, depression, mental disorder, delay in learning, behavioral disorder, etc. So it's our sole responsibility as parents and teachers to work together to overcome and prevent our children from these severe trauma. Our children must learn about the private part of their body, also about good touch and bad touch, and they should also know how to handle a situation if they're stuck in any. So I am happy that Mount Literacy School is organizing these informative session, and our children definitely get benefited by this session. Thank you so much for taking such initiative.
बबीता कुमारी, अदिति प्रकाश की माँ, माउंट लिटराजी स्कूल के सभी टीचर को थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ और एंद्री मैम को थैंक यू बोलती हूँ कि वो इतने अच्छे से बच्चों को पढ़ाती हैं। आज पूरे वर्ल्ड में चाइल्ड हरासमेंट की घटनाएं बढ़ती जा रही है, जिसके कारण बच्चे के पढ़ाई में रुकावटें आ रही है। पेरेंट्स को बच्चों के बाहर जाने से भी डर बना रहता है। बच्चे पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा टीचर की बात मानते हैं, इसीलिए टीचर बच्चों को ऐसे ही जानकारी दे ताकि बच्चे अपना सही और गलत में अंतर कर पाएँ और बिना डर के ज़िंदगी जी पाएँ। थैंक यू।
नमस्कार, मैं अर्चना सिंह, आदर्श हर्षवर्धन की माँ। मैं आज माउंट लिटरा जी स्कूल और सफ़द मैम को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने चाइल्ड सेफ्टी वीक के माध्यम से बच्चों को चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ जैसे चैप्टर पे अवेयर करने का काम कर रहे हैं। आज इंडिया ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में चाइल्ड हरासमेंट की घटनाएं बढ़ती जा रही हैं, जिससे बच्चों की मेंटल डेवलपमेंट रुक जाती है, बच्चे मेंटली काफ़ी डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं। इसलिए हम हर पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स की ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि बच्चों को चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ के बारे में बताएं, उन्हें बताएं कि हमारे प्राइवेट पार्ट्स क्या है, गुड टच क्या है, बैड टच क्या है। ये सारी बातें जो है वो हमारे बच्चों को अच्छी तरह से पता होनी चाहिए। कोई स्ट्रेंजर या नोन पर्सन अगर उन्हें हक करता है, टच करता है, अगर उन्हें अनकंफर्टेबल फील होता है, तो ये बातें अगर घर में हैं तो अपने पेरेंट्स को, स्कूल में हैं तो अपने टीचर्स को बताएं, या उस सिचुएशन में वो क्या करें ये भी उन्हें पता होना चाहिए। हमें बताना चाहिए कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं अगर इस तरह के सिचुएशन में फंसते हैं तो वो वहाँ से भागें, लाउडली चिल्लाएं या अपने आप को बचाएं। बच्चे जो होते हैं वो पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा टीचर्स की बातें सुनते हैं, और स्कूल इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स चलाकर बच्चों की क्लासेस करके अगर उन्हें अवेयर कर रहा है तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। इसलिए मैं माउंट लिटरा जी स्कूल और स्पेशली सफ़द मैम को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ, जो बहुत अच्छे तरह से बच्चों को चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ के बारे में बता रही हैं, समझा रही हैं और बच्चे समझ भी रहे हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Myself Silpi Jha, mother of Sipraja of 3rd C from Mount Literaji School Motihari, and I am very thankful to Mount Literaji School family and Andri ma'am for organizing this event on child safety. As a parent of child, I was very much worried about their safety, but after this the event organized by Mount Literaji School successfully, I am thankful to them, as the way they had presented was not a one-way communication, it was two-way communication, and SIPRA has also participated in that and became aware about that. Thanks once again. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, myself Shraja from class 7th A, and today my mother will share her views on child safety.
Hello everyone, me Silpi Jha, mother of Shreyaza. First, I would like to thank Mount Literaji School family and Rinko ma'am for organizing a successful event on child abuse. Being a parent of child, I was always worried about the safety of my child. I was thinking, how should I make my daughter aware about child abuse? But the way school has taken initiative, and Shreya also discussed with me openly about child abuse and her safety. Now I am very much happy and convinced that all the session on this topic has helped my daughter to become aware. Now she will strongly fight against any odds. Thanks.
Bye everyone.
Hello everyone, myself is Rishuni from class 4A and he is my father.
Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh Gupta and she is my daughter. She is studying in class 4A in Mount Literacy School. I'm very happy to know that the school has just organized a brilliant program which is Child Safety Line program. In these modern days, every child should know what is the good touch and what is the bad touch. Children should also know about their whole body parts. They should also know how to handle the unpleasant situations. I sincerely thanks to school management for conducting such a brilliant program and I hope the school will continue to add up same kind of program in the future. Thank you.